So, in an effort to prove that the world is not round, we're gonna go to the edge of the Earth and fall off of it.
And being a group of flat earthers, this suits us perfectly. Edge of the world, here we go. Oh no! Woohoo! Oh, that makes me feel a bit weird. Whoa! I hit the wall. Oh, I've stopped. I've stopped on the wall.
Just keep going. Nope, keep going downhill. And then slam the brakes and you'll keep falling.
Wow, that guy's having a bad day. Oh, I see, it's not perfectly vertical. Oh, you boys are tumbling. You done did do tumbling, guys. Oh, some guy I've just merged with. Merge. Let's start that tumble again. I'm falling down the edge of the world. Oh, Jenkins is here. Hello, Jenkins. How are you doing? Very good, sir. Edge of the world, sir. Yes, I know. I've got to drive. Oh, there we go. That worked. Ow. 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 Ow.
Conventional physics don't work when you've gone off the end of the world,
It
Cat.
does appear so. I am so tumbling right now. They call me Mr. Tumbells. No, you don't. I want to tumble. Oof. Ow. Ow.
I'm tumbling the wrong way.
Tumble.
Like,
Ow. 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 This is how all driving should be done. You need a very tough car. Yes!
but I'm able to-
I see someone flying
I
through
just,
the air.
yeah, I just got the best tumble ever. Ich bin the best tumble ever. Wow, wow, it's got steep. Oh, it gets really steep. Starting to feel a bit giddy now. Oh god, that's bad. Creating new universe, entering wormhole. Oh, have we made it? Am I there? I think I'm there. I'm there! We've reached the end of the world. Oh, my engine died. But I've reached the end of the world.